This is Cedar Ridge Preserve, a nature and wildlife refuge located in southwest Dallas. Throughout its lifetime, it's been many things, including a 60s cattle ranch. Currently, it serves as a place for walkers, hikers, and trail runners to frequent. Howdy there, my name is Josiah Lee, and I'm an Eagle Scout from Troop 82. And I'm here in my completed Eagle Scout project. My project was to design and construct a pavilion complete with a deck, benches, and roof for shade. The pavilion sits on a hill overlooking a newly restored blackland prairie habitat just off of the Escarpment Trail, which is the old farm road. At the beginning of the process, I made several prototype models which I proposed to my beneficiary, and we settled on the final design. Then we picked out the site, and I started gathering materials. The overall project is fully and unapologetically comprised of treated lumber. However, since much of the lumber was fresh from the treatment plant, it was very wet and needed to dry out, so I let them dry in my driveway. In order to start construction, the foundation needed to be dug. My team of volunteers dug out the holes for concrete piers, and a concrete expert helped us mix and pour the foundations. With the foundation laid, next came the long and hard process of building the pavilion. First, the initial framing, then establishing the columns and attaching the floor joists and supports. Carting the materials out there would have been very difficult without the use of a vehicle and trailer. Fortunately, Cedar Ridge Preserve graciously let us borrow theirs. I'm thankful to those who stepped up to help me in my time of need. Without them, my project would never have even gotten off the ground. Even though I had planned the whole thing out, I'd be lying if I told you that I wasn't nervous about all of it working out. This project challenged me to learn new skills and to work hard to make something great. Once the deck had been finished, this bird started to take shape. Once the roof was added and the project completed, it really started to look like an eagle. By the grace of God, 8 work days and over 480 hours of total planning and on-site work, the eagle had landed and the pavilion was finished. With the help of many loyal volunteers, we successfully completed the project. I successfully raised a total of $2,150 through my GoFundMe campaign, and I must say that I was astounded by people's generosity. People were so generous that all funds were raised in less than 2 weeks, and I even had an additional $222 left over to donate to my beneficiary. The design and plan for this project was created by myself, with input from others who have experience in this area. The presence and traffic of the pavilion has inspired several side projects within the vicinity of the building, including a cedar rail on the trail entrance, as well as a mulch path complete with erosion guards and fences in front on either side. They've also planted many native plants and are discussing plans for further projects in the future. The completed pavilion has 2 sturdy benches, a railing and slip guard, and a functional roof in addition to the overall eagle aesthetic. It's a favorite for many who frequent the preserve, and many have already graced the surface with documentation of their visit. I feel honored that my project has been held in such esteem. I'm thankful for the opportunity to serve Cedar Ridge Preserve, and I'm grateful for the experience. This has been unlike anything else I've ever done, and I couldn't be more proud to have worked alongside of them.